Learning Objective.
Welcome to Learn Arabic Step by Step. In this series, you'll learn how to read, write, and speak Arabic, even if you're a complete beginner.
Arabic has 28 letters. They are written from right to left. Each letter has a name and a sound.
Let's learn the last 5 Arabic letters. Meme, like M in moon. Meme, like M in moon. Noon, like N in nest. Noon, like N in nest. Ha, like H in hat. Ha, like H in hat. Wa, like W in water or oo in moon, depending on use. Wa, like W in water or oo in moon, depending on use. Ya, like Y in yes or E in tree, depending on use. Ya, like Y in yes or E in tree, depending on use. I will pronounce the letter and then use an Arabic word that starts with the same letter, and then I will translate it. Meme is the first letter in the word banana in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word banana is written below the rectangle. Mose, mose, mose. Noon is the first letter in the word tiger in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word tiger is written below the rectangle. Namir, namir, namir. Ha is the first letter in the word phone in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word phone is written below the rectangle. Hatif, hatif, hatif. Waw is the first letter in the word rose in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word rose is written below the rectangle. Warda, warda, warda. Ya is the first letter in the word hand in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word hand is written below the rectangle. Yed, yed, yed. Training. Now, we will take some practice on the previous letters. Banana, moz, banana, moz. Namra, namra, namra. Hatif, hatif, hatif. Warda, warda, warda. Hand, yud. Hand, yud. Hand, yud. Well done. The Arabic alphabet is complete. We've learned all 28 letters, which make up the entire Arabic alphabet. In the upcoming videos, we'll learn the vowels, Dhamma, Fatha, and Kasra, so you can read any Arabic word yourself. So, keep working hard. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it so everyone can benefit.